Hello, my name is Ali Zuhairi. I'm one of the team members of Team 11. I'm here to talk to you about the inspiration of our project. The problem first came with the idea of having to leave your pet alone at home without any food supply. We came with a solution for this problem. We call it Codename Kitty. The solution takes a somewhat modernistic approach to solving this problem by integrating the cloud in what we do. Contrary to normal dispensers or pet feeding dispensers, we try to give you access to whatever's going on with your dispenser, creating a schedule, and feeding the pet anytime you want, all from the power of your phone or any place that has web access, all through our web service.
Hello, my name is Adam. I'm the second team member of Team 11 in the Embedded Systems course, and I was responsible for the LCD monitor. The LCD monitor we used is a 16 by 2 character display, and we used it mainly to be the main device for the communication between the user and our dispenser. One of the features that we used the display for is to set the time, as the time is the most important property that we will need to maintain the feeding schedule for the pet. We also display metadata regarding the state of the device, the ID of the device, and other data that might be applicable.
Hello, I'm here to talk to you about the part that I was responsible for in this project, which was setting up the Ethernet shield to communicate with our web service. First of all, to be able to get this to work, you have to set up your Ethernet shield by assigning it a MAC address and an IP address on your local network. After doing so, your Arduino is now recognized as a network device and can communicate to the internet. To be able to get the Arduino to communicate to a web server, you have to first set up a few things. To be able to create an HTTP GET request, it's unlike other frameworks. You have to set up the header files yourself by adding all the properties of the header files. After doing so, you can properly construct an HTTP request to any web server and get the data you want. Here we have an example of a website which will be used in our dispenser, which was designed by Adam in our team. This website allows the user to communicate with their dispenser by registering their dispenser online. Thus, they can create a schedule, feed the pet whenever they want, and keep track of when the next feeding schedule is going to occur. Right here we have an example of one feeding schedule which was extracted from the database. This basically means that we have 3 feeding times for the pet we're going to feed. The first time being 3:30, 3 being the hours, 30 being the minutes, and here we have 0 meaning the portion size, 0 meaning half portion, and 1 meaning full portion. So here we will be feeding the pet 3 times a day, once on 3:30, which is a half portion, once on 5:30, which is a full portion, and once on 7, which is also a full portion.
Hello, my name is George Sami, and I'm responsible for the servo motor in this project. The servo motor is responsible for allowing food to be dispatched to the pet's plate by opening and closing a latch, which we will show in a video. The following video will demonstrate this device in action. As you can see, the latch is going to open and close like this as every scheduled feeding time occurs. As a touch of convenience, we added this button. We like to call it Feed Now button. Simply click and hold it, and it will automatically feed your pet.